Hi, Angie here with Survival Garden Seeds. And today I wanted to show you our tower container garden grow system. There's lots of different brands you can use, but this one I love the watering system. I can pour a bucket in it, or I can put my hose up to it and fill it up, and just once a day. And then it naturally gravity feeds and waters all 30 plants. So I don't have to go through and individually water each one. Now there is a hole in the center that goes all the way down, and then there's little plates at each level that captures it, and then those have holes in them in turn that directly waters each of these plants. So you can have 30 different varieties, or you can have all of one. Right now I have things that I want in a salad. So I've got my leafy greens. I've got the leafy kales, the lettuces, and spinach. Another option is the different herbs. You could have 30 different ones, or you can have a whole row of one. You could do all the different pollinator flowers in this thing, and I think it would be utterly stunning. This is it all stacked up, all 5 layers. You can actually take one layer off and set it somewhere else. You can make this as high or as low as you want it, and that makes it really nice for the space you have inside or outside. It also makes it so that you can grow taller or shorter plants with them as well. And this also, one layer of this, dirt is heavy. I can actually pull off one layer of this and carry it. And that way, if I want to rearrange it from the outside to the inside, I can do that a lot easier with one of these systems than some of the other big giant pots I might have. This is Angie with Survival Garden Seeds.